Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. Be thankful for each year of your life. Prayer is the pulse of life. I believe that the ability to remain calm is an essential skill in modern life. Live a life that is well balanced. Don't do things in excess. The cure for moving too fast is just to slow down. Persist while others are quitting. Victory belongs to the most persevering. In life, we can have results or reasons. There is no life as complete as the life that is lived by choice. We spend much of our lives on autopilot and can end up in a life we didn't consciously create. A little improvement each day makes a big difference over time. To achieve anything and move forward in life, you need to take risks. Attitude and ability are complementary to each other for success in life. Nothing in this world is impossible to a willing heart. In giving your love, you brighten someone else's life. The life of wisdom must be a life of contemplation combined with action. Decisions without actions are worthless. Little decisions you make alter your life, but they rarely do so all at once. May the clouds in your life be only a background for a lovely sunset. Everything that we do today determines how we are going to live life tomorrow. The best way to appreciate your job is to imagine yourself without one. Happiness consists not in having much, but in being content with little. Do not resent growing old. Many are denied the privilege. Sometimes the bad things in life open our eyes to the good things we were not paying attention to before. A bad habit has a unique detrimental effect on your life. People without self-awareness go through life simply reacting out of habit. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.